going to be firing up the Weber kettle on this edition of Light 'em Up Outdoors. We are going to put on some chicken drumsticks. We've been marinating these for a few hours. It's Lawry's Cajun marinade. So it'll be a pretty quick cook, probably 45 minutes to an hour, and we'll have some chicken drumsticks. We'll try it out here. I've never tried this Cajun seasoning or marinade, so we'll see how that works out. So stay tuned for that. All right, we're using Kingsford Professional. I did a video on that before. Found it better for grilling than it is barbecue. So we'll let that grill come up to temp, and then we'll put our chicken drumsticks on. Good. All right, we pulled these at 185, and then we're gonna wrap them, let them sit for 15-20 minutes. It took about an hour, so we're gonna give it a try. What do you think?
Good stuff.
What kind of flavor do you think it's got?
Apple flavor.
Apple. I don't taste a whole lot of Cajun with it.
Oh yeah, which is kind of good because she probably wouldn't like Cajun. Barbecue?
I put Hawaiian barbecue sauce on it. It's just a light kind of pineapple barbecue sauce flavor. Really light. It's good.
You like it?
The skin is crispy. I think it turned out great.
Look at the skin's my favorite.
What do you think, Annie?
You like it?
Good cook, chef.
Good cook, Dad.
You gonna do a fist bump? Slow it up. All right. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already done so, hit that bell button for notifications of future videos. And also think about subscribing. So, thank you for tuning in to this episode of Light 'em Up Outdoors.
Yeah, click on the down button.
Click on the button. That's right. Both those buttons, the subscribe and bell. Thanks a lot.